Today I'm taking the WORKPRO Retractable Razor Blade Scraper with storage. So we do have our instructions, and it looks like it comes with a whole bunch of extra blades. That is a large 50 pack. They are crimped on one end, so these are single-sided. And those do appear to be very good looking blades. So we do have a nice rubber grip here on the outside of the holder. The inside here is plastic. It looks like this is going to be our storage. Nice, so it does actually come with a couple extra blades already installed. Got a little piece of protector on there. Right now we're in our storage position. Looks like we do have a blade on there. So this is our use position. And then here we can replace the blade. So very simple matter of slide the guy out, line up that hole, slide the next guy in, and pull back to the use position. Well, there's always stuff on here that I can't even see until I start scraping it. So some of these are going to be scratches that are just too deep to do anything about. It looks like a lot of this we can actually get off. Neat. So for glass, anything with deep scratches in it, some of it you can't really do anything about, but some of it you can take right off. Interesting. Overall, that is a very nice tool.